Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be slightly different because we are in Manhattan, New York City, and we are exploring the Christmas markets in New York. Our first stop is our all-time favorite, the iconic Union Square Holiday Market. Union Square is New York City's ultimate holiday destination. As we wandered in, we are greeted by a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. The aroma of hot cocoa lured us right to the United Chocolate Works vendor. Their creamy, rich, marshmallowy, sweet hot chocolate topped with decadent Belgian chocolate is perfect to warm anyone up in this freezing cold Manhattan weather. Then, we ventured on to the Happy Cactus gift vendor, who were selling well-preserved butterfly specimen ethically sourced from Peru. We explored other stalls, brought some handcrafted ornaments, handmade honey lollies, which were a hit with Mr. Fish. The aroma of freshly baked cookies, roasted chestnuts, mingled with the cheerful chatter of shoppers, lights, interesting vendors created an irresistible sensory experience. If you are looking for unique and one-of-a-kind gifts, Union Square Market is your stop. If you are in New York City for the holidays, be sure to check out this market. They are open till December 24. Venturing beyond the market, it's time to explore the holiday lights. One of the key parts of holidays in New York City is the fabulously festive window displays. So our next stop is Macy's Herald Square. Another side of Manhattan madness. We are surrounded by cabs. The theme this year is Give Love. The iconic Macy's Herald Square flagship worked hard to get decked out for the season, and they were officially unveiled on Thursday, November 16th, and will be on display till January 1, 2024. This year's display celebrates the magic of friendship with Tiptoe the reindeer as she enjoys activities with her friends Polar Bear and Penguin. We follow their journey of Tiptoe the reindeer with a friend and her favorite holiday themes, so each window represents something that they love to do together. These displays are particularly impressive with intricate details and moving characters that bring the magic of Christmas to life. We can't help but stop and admire the craftsmanship and creativity on display. With the Empire State Building in the backdrop, Macy's is a sure stop to get your holiday cheer going. We are now at Bryant Park and we have taken a break to dinner. We are at the porch at Bryant Park. Something like this. There's a nice warm fire going on. We're waiting to order our drinks. And the Christmas market is like all around us. We have some yummy beef sliders. This is my fall special drink. Some guac and chips. Our special chicken wrap. His hot toddy cider. And time to dig in. Now we are on our way to the final destination for the night. It's the Rockefeller Center Saks Fifth lighting show by Dior this year. Quite excited. Pictures look amazing. It's a 7-block walk. Yeah, let's go. Following shortly after Macy's holiday window reveals came Saks Fifth Avenue on Monday, November 20. And boy, is it a sight to see! This year's window displays are the most expensive holiday displays yet. Mr. Fish is fully asleep in his stroller sleeping bag. Look, he's so cute. You can only see his nose and lips. Let's go. Each window helps tell the story of Monsieur Dior's dream journey from Paris to New York City. Catch iconic landmarks from both cities decorating the display with features inspired by the Dior's Carousel of Dreams at Saks theme. Catch Monsieur Dior leaving Paris to race down the Hudson via boat and travel across the Rockefeller Center ice rink. They will be on view through January 5th, 2024. As for the light show, botanical elements and celestial-inspired icons enliven Dior's Carousel of Dreams at Saks. It showcases almost 300,000 LED lights to a musical medley that speaks to the spectacle's beautiful nature. This brings us to the end of the video. Hope you guys had as much fun as we did. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share, subscribe. And wishing you all a very happy holidays and a very happy new year. Of course, we're gonna meet again, but till then, bye.